secret beans cookie. Come on, boy!
Since it comes from the family of C and C++ languages, it has many advantages over those. C# can be used to create various types of library. It has also, C# has simple integrations for Good job. You've got a very basic idea. Let's go. Here's a fun fact to keep you going. C# was initially named as C Cool, but it was dropped due to copyright issues. The most basic explanation of a variable is keeping things in their respective storage. For example, let's consider the jacket, books, and paper documents from the above image. You are in your room. Where do you put your jacket? That's right, in your wardrobe. That's right. Where do you put your books? Yeah, and of course, your paper documents go inside table drawers. There isn't much difference between storing data in applications. The most important thing is to keep everything in its designated. In programming, the container that stores the data is called. Now you will be wondering, how shall we define what type of data should be stored in? We use data types to define the type of data to be stored in. To store numbers using C#, we use data types such as integer num. 10.1. C is a friend is a word made of 6 characters, i.e. a string. Great. You did really well. As we already know, numerical data can be stored integers, decimals. It's simple to understand that. Some example of 180, 37, 100. Some example of 10.120.25, 1000 in C#. The big question, and for that we have learned how to do. Awesome, but we haven't in C. Let's see what it looks. The first example first. Also in C. Also, this can be here. Variable b will be assigned the inverted value of variable a, which is minus 15. Awesome. In order to store decimal, we need to use the double key in C#. So let's see what you have learned. Let's add. Yes. Let's add. When you code in the next line, the value of 20.5 is assigned to the variable a and we assign 10 to the variable b in the line. Keep. Awesome. We'll learn. Let's get going. In order to and of course, as we use pretty much first. But no worries, okay? We'll get to that soon. Let's fortify our. The only thing that changes is the type of variable. Great. This is your final. We'll learn about as, however, sentence, or even a whole char var. Beside. All set? And of course, the code. Easy. If the most important thing you need to memorize is that value has to be between double quotes.